So recently, the Necromancer got a rework, and in today's video, I'll be showcasing all of the changes on the Necromancer. But before I continue, make sure to drop a like and a sub. It takes one click and it really helps me. Alright, so let's get to it. First, at level 0, it costs 1650 money to place, deals 15 damage for every 2 seconds, has a 16 range, and a 7.47 DPS. While back then it used to cost 2250, deals 8 damage for every 1.5 seconds, has 16 range, and also a 5.31 DPS. And also back then the skeleton used to have 20 HP, but now it's 30. At level 1 it now costs 2250 and deals 18 damage, meaning it now has the DPS of 8.96, while back then it used to cost 3000 and deals 10 damage, and also a 6.63 DPS. Level 2 at the other hand costs 4000, now shoots every 1.5 seconds, meaning it has a 11.94 DPS, but the old level 2 costs 5000 and shoots every second, meaning it now has the DPS of 9.92, and it now can summon the sword skeleton, which have 30 HP, deal 50 damage for every 0.8 second, meaning it has a DPS of 18.56. Now it's basically the same thing for the old sword skeleton, except that it used to have 20 HP. Now a level 3 new Necromancer now costs 13.5k, deals 40 damage, has 18 range, and a 26.53 DPS. But the old Necromancer costs 15k, deals 25 damage, has 18 range, meaning it has a DPS of 24.8. And on this level, it can now summon the Giant Skeleton and the Skeleton Knight. Both the new and old Giant Skeleton have 250 HP, but the new Skeleton Knight have 100 HP, deals 35 damage for every 0.65 second, meaning it has a DPS of 53.19. Meanwhile, the old Skeleton Knight have 65 HP, deals 25 damage for every 0.65 second, and a DPS of 37.99. Lastly, the new level 4 Necromancer now costs 43.5k, now deals 20 damage for every 0.3 second, has 20 range, and it can now target up to 7 enemies, meaning it has a DPS of 64.94. But it's just one enemy. If we assume it's targeting 7 enemies at once, then it would have a DPS of 454.58. That's really insane. But back then, a level 4 Necromancer used to cost 45k, deals 15 damage for every 0.3 second, and can hit up to 4 enemies, meaning it has a DPS of 48.7. But if it's attacking 4 enemies at once, then that would be 194.8. Now the best part of this level is that it can now summon the Hellguard and the Executioner Skeleton. The new Hellguard has 1250 HP, meanwhile the old Hellguard has 750. Finally, oh my god, that took like 50 attempts or something. And the new Executioner Skeleton has 3500 HP, and every 4 seconds it will throw an axe that deals 50 damage per tick, and it also has 30 range. And by tick I mean that if an enemy touches the axe, it will constantly deal 50 damage until it is not longer touching it. And also take a look of this clip. Yup, you saw that right. A single axe can deal up to 500 damage, meaning that it would have the DPS of 124 and 75. But that's just one enemy. If you assume it's hitting 5 enemies, then it would be 623 and 75 DPS. That's really mind-blowing. Now it's basically the same thing for the old Executioner Skeleton, except that it used to have 3000 HP and 24 range. Now one thing I must say about this rework is that it's not really a rework, it's a buff. Now I actually think this buff is really good. It definitely makes the Necromancer much stronger. It is very overpowered for its cheap price. On the old Necromancer, I'll give it the rating of 6 out of 10, but the new one, 9 out of 10. The only thing holding this thing back down is that the strict placement limit of 3. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and sub. Bye.